So Tor is the sort of the Onion router, which is free open source software for anonymous communication. So there are many questions like, is Tor legal or Tor illegal? So first of all, what is Tor and how does the talk work? So talk work as it passes the user data traffic into a several nodes, thousands of nodes, so making it more anonymous. So it's basically open source, and yes, it is legal till you don't do any illegal stuff like buying drugs or anything like. So we are going to install Kali Linux in our virtual machine. So I'm in my virtual machine here. So the Kali Linux default comes with a pre-installed browser, Firefox. So I'm using that only. However, if you are using any other browser, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to my browser, and we simply type in as Tor install. So it will take us to an official Tor project web page. So here we are in our download page. So you can choose your operating system if you have Windows, Mac OS, Linux or Android. So in my case, I am running it on Linux. So click on the download for Linux. So I have already downloaded it. You can click on the download button and it will save the file in your download folder. So click on the terminal on the top left side of your screen and go to the downloads by CD downloads to change directory. And when I list out the files of there, I can see and you can also see in your terminal tor linux.tar.xz. So it is a compressed, so we have to uncompress it to extract all the files. To extract all the files of that, I am using the command tar xvf and the file here. So you can click on the tab button to auto complete that and hit enter. So now it is extracting the files here, as you can see. So now it is done. So again, when I list out my files here by LSL for listing, so we can see that there is a separate new folder for the Tor browser. So go to the Tor browser, and when you list the file here, let me clear the screen. LSL. So there are one folder and one is start tor browser.desktop. You can find it what is it by using file command. So when you type in file in the start tor browser, it will say that it is an executable file. To run executable file, you can use the /start tor browser.desktop. So what this is doing, that I am giving it command to run outside of the home directory. / refers to that and the name of executable file. So now it is running and it will open the browser here. So it is asking to connect automatically. So I will click, because every time when you go to the browser, it will connect automatically to the Tor network here. Then click on the connect. So it is now connecting to that. Tor browser usually have an extension of the .onion instead of .com, and it is not usually hosted on the regular browser like Google or Microsoft Bing. And the traffic data which is passes through nodes makes it really slow. So it is advised to use a VPN and also set your security level to not just standard. You can either make your security level to safer or safest, because it will block the JavaScript files to automatically download the malicious files into your computer.
Yep.
So now that you are set to go and you can use your Tor, but keep one thing, that don't do anything illegal.